I'm going to show you how you can find these keywords yourself. So we need to do an example over here. So if we could have a participant put in a keyword that we want to really research, start from ground up, feel free to put in a keyword here, and we'll run you through some examples on how you can get keywords that are for your business, and most importantly, how you can then categorize these keywords to get the maximum benefit. So Pearl says grain-free pet food. So what we'll do is we'll take grain-free pet food as the main keyword. We go to Google over here, put in the keyword over here, and now we're going to see that Google starts suggesting keywords that are relevant. We've got the organic results showing up over here. This is now called position zero, where Google is actually giving you content right within the feed, right within the results. You're getting an explanation of your keyword. So this is position zero. And now Google is also going to ask you more questions. And you can be fairly sure that these are questions that people have asked repeatedly over the years, all very relevant to your initial keyword. If we scroll down all the way to the bottom, we're going to find more keywords that are related to your keywords. And this is related according to Google. So it's essential that you start using these keywords as some part of your digital strategy.